Hello everyone, I'm Sajid and welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's we'll try to compare the 4G plus speed test between the OnePlus 9R versus IQ7 device. So yes friends, finally after a long time waiting in this IQ7 smartphone, I was able to get the 4G plus signals on the top. So as you can see friends, after a long time, and finally today I started to make plenty of videos on this topic, particularly 4G plus. So I did a video comparison with the Mi11X, and a lot of OnePlus users, they did ask me to compare with the OnePlus 9R as well. So let's see, in this video I'll try to use the same GeoSIM in both phones, and I'll try to test which phone will be able to pick the maximum 4G plus signal. And one more thing, this is the latest software update which I'm trying to run in IQ7 device. So in case if you don't get 4G plus, just wait for this kind of update, so which might be able to fix it. So first let's check the confirmation by opening the RX Monitor application. So in this RX Monitor application you can clearly see friends 2CA, so which shows the carrier aggregation is present right now in this phone. So successfully the GeoSIM finally friends, and vSIM, it did not work for the 4G plus in my area, and the speeds and the 4G plus also depends upon the type of location you are. And definitely friends, in my location these are the speeds I am getting. So maybe in your location you might get 50-60 Mbps, that's not problem, but in my location this is what I want to test, which phone will be able to give the maximum speeds. So that is what my point of making this video. So right now I'm testing first in the IQ7 device. So I'll try to test this kind of scenario for the 3 times. So 3 times I'll be doing the 4G plus test in this phone, and complete three test results were only used with the 4G plus signal only, not with the normal 4G, only with 4G plus. And this is a 4G plus signal I'm not getting everywhere in my home. I'm getting only in my dining area near the kitchen room. So this kind of 4G plus. Otherwise if I go outside of my house near the corridor, I was able to get 4G plus. So in case if you're experiencing this kind of 4G plus issues, so maybe you should try going to different locations and just checking friends. So then you'll be able to get the 4G plus signal in the IQ7 device. So whereas in the other smartphones I did not have any kind of issues regarding the 4G plus. So every place in my home I used to get the 4G plus in the OnePlus 9R and in the Mi11X device. But in the IQ7 there is some weak signals. I'm not sure what is happening, but maybe in my location. I'm not saying this is a problem with every IQ7 phone. I'm saying just in my location, by using this GeoSIM, this is what my situation is. So right now as you can see 4G plus, I was able to get only 15-16 Mbps of speeds right now, but not much. But let's see friends, if you use the same GeoSIM in the OnePlus 9R, how much speeds we can expect. So this is upload speed. So upload speeds are really great in this phone. When I compare with a lot of other devices, the upload speeds are slightly better. And as you can see, so I'm trying to remove the same SIM card from the IQ7 device, and I'll try to use the same SIM card in the OnePlus 9R. So as you can see friends, so you know exactly what is happening. As I said, the speeds will definitely vary from one location to other location, and type of SIM as well. So at this moment I am not concerned with the speeds, but I'm only concerned with which phone can give me the high speeds. So that is what I'm concerned at this point. So which phone will be able to pick the maximum signals. So that is what I'm looking after. So same SIM card, as you can see friends, I did insert in the OnePlus 9R device. So as soon as I kept the SIM, we'll be able to see the 4G signal. So let's see friends, right now I think we should be able to check the 4G signal as well, and I think I was able to get the 4G signal without any issues right now. As you can see friends, I am getting the 4G. On the notification it's saying the plus, but I'm not getting in the NetMonster. Sometimes the NetMonster application doesn't show, but there is the RX Monitor application, so which is showing you the 2CA successfully without any problem, as you can clearly see friends. So right now I'm getting the 4G plus aggregation in this OnePlus 9R, no issues. You can see small 4G which is present in this OnePlus 9R. So now it's the time to check the speeds. So now we got the confirmation that 4G plus is supported. So now it's time to check the speed. So let's see friends, which phone will be able to give the maximum 4G plus speed. So that is what I'm trying to test. So I did try with the vSIM card in both phones. Both phones I was unable to get the 4G plus. So that's why I thought of using this GeoSIM. So right now it went up to 20 Mbps speeds. So 2018, as you can see friends, 2018 and 17. So 18.4 finally. I'll be doing this kind of testing for the next 3 times as well. So overall 3 times I'll try to do, and 3 times we'll take the average, which phone can give us the better results. So that is what we'll try to take, the maximum score out of this 3 times testing. And in case if you want me to do any other different kind of testings like download speed test, so make sure to comment below, friends. I'll try to do the download speed test as well. Right now it's decreased below 10%, but it increasing again. So 11 Mbps, 12 Mbps, as you can see, friends, right now 10 Mbps. So second time doing testing, I did get the 10 Mbps in the OnePlus 9R. I think at this point the IQ7 slightly picked up more signal, so that is what I did observe in the IQ7 device when I compared with the OnePlus 9R. So right now you can see, friends, upload speed as well. So 10.6 is a download, and upload speeds are slightly less in the OnePlus 9R from the beginning. OnePlus 9R with my SIM. With my SIM, friends, with my SIM, I'm specifically mentioning that in my location and with my SIM. So these are the results. So it doesn't mean that phone will be not able to get the high speeds. The phone will be able to get, but with this JioSIM and in my location at same time testing, these are the results. So results can be found better in the IQ7 device right now at this point of making this video. We got about 22.7 in the IQ7 device, whereas the OnePlus 9R scored only about, I think, 18 Mbps. As you can see, the maximum 18.4. As you can clearly see, friends. So this will give you the clear idea which phone has what type of speed, as you can see. So top 3 results I am trying to take, compare both sides. So 22.7 is the highest in the IQ7 which has been recorded right now. And the clear winner is the IQ7 device in terms of the 4G plus data right now in my location with JioSIM, as you can see, friends. So I am trying to do again and again the testing in the OnePlus 9R, but still the results are kind of same in the OnePlus 9R, not much improvement, as you can see clearly. So thank you, friends, for watching this video, and make sure to stay tuned by subscribing to my channel, and don't forget to check the playlist for each and every smartphone which I have created. And definitely, if you like this kind of content, make sure to hit that like as well, and definitely check the epic comparison and all other playlist. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.